So I just have to say that India has been a very, very important ally to Israel in the past year or so. I think India is a powerful, a strong, powerful country, and its attitudes towards the conflicts will be able to show some kind of example. I mean, I think India's way of handling things will be a beacon to different solutions around the world. I think the Indian diaspora, I think people are people, whether they're Indian, whether they're not Indian, and I think Indian diaspora, just as being humans and being people, if they engage in love and they promote acceptance and cooperation, I think they'll be a very important part of having the world become a more tolerant place altogether.